everybody, this is Nora, and on this video this is going to be more of a follow-up video, or sort of like a part two to the previous video that I made, and I named that one Turning Negative Images into Positive Images with the She Modern neon powders. And I will have that video linked down in the description bar below if you guys missed it. But this is also going to be in response to Jennifer Hogan. Jennifer, yeah, like I said, it was as if you were right here with me when I was playing with that the very first time. So the purpose of this video is so that I can demonstrate. If you guys remember, I kind of did the gradient stamping. I started out with my thumbnail, it ended up creating a positive image of the powders that was left off. It was left on the stamper, and then I used that for the rest of the nails. So the question was, and yes, so it was helpful that I started out with the thumbnail, and then of course as I went on gradually with the rest of the nails, so being that this thumbnail is larger, so I was able to fit it in nicely on the rest of the nails. Now the question was, what if we were to stamp it on a piece of paper? What will be the results? Well, I thought when I tried it over a piece of paper, it wasn't good enough. But I figure, hey, why don't I just go ahead, and I don't know if you, hopefully you can see here because it's white on white. Let me go ahead and put some swatches on my silicone mat, let them dry, and yeah, so kind of like pretending for these to be a larger nail or a larger surface to stamp that negative image, and then leave me with the desired positive of the powder to then stamp on my nails, or I can control it better as I would like, right? So yes, I am going to attempt this, and if this doesn't work well, we'll see how it goes, and maybe cleaning the stamper using the lint roller, and maybe that will leave me enough. And I'm going to go ahead and use the purple neon powder because I believe it shows better on camera, and I'm going to go back to the same image. This is one of my best negative images on a stamping plate, so I'm going to go back to the flower one. And oh, and if you guys are wondering about my nails here, so I was playing around with Denise's idea, a cheating idea of creating the bubble rose, but I did a combination of the original idea or the original design that from 10 Little Canvases video and Denise's video. I'll have those linked below if you guys are curious. And if I have enough requests on this, I'll go ahead and do a video. Otherwise, yes, go check out theirs. But this is my version of the bubble rose on my natural nails. Anyway, I had a lot of fun doing that, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. So let me go ahead and get my stamper ready. I did put the powder on the stamper, and I'm going to use just a white polish to stamp this image and pick it up with a powder. And then I'm going to place it when ready on my thumbnail that I have some white polish on ready. Let's go ahead and do this. I don't have my scraper ready. And there's the image right here. Now I want to, and that's one time, and that's 2 times. And I think, let's see, there's what I have left. I'm going to go ahead and guys, let me go ahead and do this on the lint roller. There, see, now I still have flowers left, and I pulled some of the flowers as you can see here. But yeah, that's okay, and no need to worry and having to hurry up, and there's no polish in here. I don't have to worry about anything getting dry. I do have one more step to do before stamping on my thumbnail, and that is to apply my foil glue for the powder to stick, remember? Now I do need to go ahead and let this dry. Alright, so I had let my foil glue enough time, give it enough time for it to dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and stamp my image. Make sure it's placed right here. And there's the stamp. Isn't that pretty? I think that is so pretty. Anyway, so yes, you know how to, we'll finish, this can be finished with a top coat. But the purpose of this quick video, guys, it was mainly to show you how you can get rid of that negative image on a swatch, maybe on a silicone mat, so that you can then, if you don't want to have to gradiate it and necessarily go from your thumbnail to other nails. But yes, you can do that. And here's the second one, and this was even the third. Obviously, because of the lint roller being sticky, it pulls a lot more of the powder than that second time here doing it on the polish. But yeah, so that was a quick test, Jennifer. Hopefully this answered your question. And guys, go ahead and experiment and try these with glow-in-the-dark powders, the glitters, and have fun with those. I will be having another, just stay tuned for more She Modern tutorials using their foil water decals. I think you guys are gonna love that. And something else called a magic powder. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.